going on, YouTube? It's your boy E Double coming back to you with another review. Mr. Cheapskate, Mr. Discount, Mr. I Love 32. You know, I cop a pair of 32s in a minute. Like I said, I want to welcome everyone to my channel. Love to welcome all my new subscribers, guests. Thank you everyone for leaving the comment suggestions below. Also, thank everybody for tuning into my live raffle yesterday. There will be other raffles once I get over that 1K and get that creator. So do me a big favor, tell a family member, a friend about your boy E Double so we can hit that 1K, and then I can do a bigger giveaway. Now you know how I roll. Without further ado, let's get into this review. As you can see, it's not a Jordan. Got these Lebron things. Got a size 10.5 LeBron 15 limited, 185 of them dollars. But no. Got them for Foot Locker for $154. Right up there, $154. You know me, I'm always trying to look for the discount. Some call these the Hollywoods, the Walk of Fame, the Allstars. Well, we all know he didn't choose to wear these in the All-Star game, right? He wore those kit all black. Can't go wrong either way on these shoes. This is rust pink. You can go true to size on these shoes. A very dope shoe. Most people are like, man, these are girl shoes. Man, you are wrong. Kind of look close to salmon, but actually not the salmon color. On the front, you see you got that battle net material, so you got to spread down real good. Make sure you get that crepe shoe protector. You got your fly net lace loops here with the black, and then you also have your rust pink laces, but nah, that'll try to conflict too much with the color that is already is. So as you can see on here, pulling up, you got the start and you got the area code, LA. You also got his home area code. It's kind of similar, very close. Then you got the stars on the pullover, which represents the All-Star games he's been in, each one of them. Come around on the side, you got those speckles there, which is kind of like the cement type, but is in the rust with the black, which is very nice. And you got the metallic gold hits, very dope in my opinion. Come around on the back, you got that reverse Nike swoosh. Got that 2018 supposed to be for the All-Star game, and then you got LeBron James signature on the back of these bad boys. You got your Roman numeral 15, because this is version 15 of his Nike line. Coming around on the side here as well, nothing more spectacular, but I said, like, it's all these shoes are pretty much the same as far as, like I said, a battle net and the materials. But this is by far one of his better shoes ever late that has dropped to date. In my opinion, this is the best colorway that has dropped. And let's check out the bottom, doing this in reverse order. As the bottom, you can see, got that milky white. Look at that. You got that Lion King on the bottom of them. Then you got that reverse Nike swoosh in black and that milky wilky. But I mean, this shoe is very comfortable and a very dope shoe. I was just glad to get my hands on them, because everybody didn't get a chance to cop these shoes, and they didn't drop like all the other All-Star shoes. And then if you take out the shoe tree, which is rather hard to do, some of these shoes, they got some other crap in there. I don't know what it is, and we can worry about that. And it's just a typical all black laces. So let me know, dude, would this be a cop for you? Would this be a pass? I know everybody was getting on those Game Royal 1s, and you got those Easter 11s coming. I think we get the rest of our Game Royal 1s this week. So let me know what you caught, what you plan on copping for the rest of March and going into April, because you got a lot of heat still coming. So like I said, don't forget to tell a family member or friend about this channel. Hit that thumbs up, drop kick that like, and hit that subscribe and notification bell. You heard? Thanks for support. Deuces.
Ooh. K-Swish. Ooh. Yeah. Going 8 like nigga. Move out the way, please don't be a hero.